So in this video we are using a flour dough to make a different stuff. So firstly we are just rolling it up and putting the thick portion to make a face. So we are here making a bird. Now using a small circular shape of dough to make the wing of the bird. So any guesses what it could be? So it's a peacock. So just putting some colorful dough into it to make it look more attractive, more interesting. Now here we are using the dough to make the cute face of the cartoon. So just making the leg, making its ear, and now it's turn to make the face. So putting its eyes and mouth, and it's ready. In the next we are putting the date into the dough and stuffing it up. Now using this date again to make the petal, and now you will get a flower is ready. More flour like that and it's done. In the next we have used the 4 pieces of dough, making a fork, pressing it with the fork on the each side, using the knife and pinching it up in this way. Now using the stick to put it together, and now using the cutter, circular cutter, and making a press with the help of spoon. So you will get a pair of fish is ready. Now putting the date and making its eyes, it's done. Let's proceed to the next. So here we are again using the dough, using this knife and making a cut slightly, rolling it up using the knife on the each corner like this, doing the same on the other side using this knife again and again. So just making a petal, we have used the knife. Now put it all together, so you will get this. Now using the knife, design with the help of spoon, so you will get another pair of fishes. In the next we are using this dough by cutting it into the middle, putting it on the upside, and so just here a group of bird who is chirping together. To make it more attractive, we are using the knife to make its wing like that. And after this done, putting this crown on its head, and it's done. In the next we are using the dough in this way, rolling it up with the help of hand, and after this done you will get this structure. Now using the stick and join it together from the each side, so you will get this structure. It looks like a rose. Using the another piece of dough, press it up with the help of fork, using the knife, putting it up in this way. Now stuffing it with the help of date, so you will get a flower is ready. In the next we are using the 3 part of dough and making a braid like structure. You will see that how nicely it's being done, and after this done you will get this type of structure. So just we are going to do what, taking a few pieces of dough, again making a cut in between, using the comb to make a design on the corner, using this stick to put it together, stuff it with the date and rolling it up. A flower is ready. Now taking that dough braid around it, so it will like this, it's ready. In the next here we are using this piece of dough, so just rolling it up, using the knife over it, putting it with the help of stick, so you will get this structure, pinching it up with the help of finger. Now taking another piece of sheet, making a cut and put it around it, it's ready. In the next we are going to make a flower, as you can see in the video. So just we have taken a dough and using a knife and comb, using the scissors to make a petal on in between in the middle of the flower, and now we are again making more petal with the help of scissor. Now using the rest part of the dough, now making the rest part of the dough more attractive with the help of this knife. So just making a cut, pinching it up with the help of finger, and it's done. In the next here we have taken a colorful dough and using the stick in this way, so you can see that how it is being done. Now using the fork on the rest part of the dough and making a petal, put it all together in this way. Now using the stick to make a mouth, putting its eyes, it is like a caterpillar. So I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching.